Okay guys, I'm sorry I missed the beginning of that, but there's an EAS right now. I got both my weather radios going. I don't know what this is for. Let's listen.
The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wayne County in southeastern Michigan, southeastern Washtenaw County in southeastern Michigan, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:50 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Canton to near Milan, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Livonia, Southfield, Taylor, Novi, Romulus, Ypsilanti, Flat Rock, Milan, Grosse Pointe, downtown Detroit, Canton, Detroit, Dearborn, Wyandotte, Trenton, Grosse Ile, Northville, Belleville, Willis, and Westland. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for southeastern Michigan. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following counties in Michigan, Washtenaw, and Wayne. Here is the forecast.